Next step, what we can do, what a farmer can actually employ, that is the crop improvement. The basic name which is used for crop improvement is the hybridization. This is very important. So what we do, like what is the reason behind that we are carrying out this crop improvement process? Because we want that the yield of the crop should be high and the crop should be very healthy, and the crops should be of more monetary gain, right? So what is hybridization? It is the practice of improving varieties of crops with desired traits. So it is a practice by which we can actually have a desired variety with having a desirable traits. So how we do is, suppose I select a variety A, it has a desired character, let's say X. Let's say that the desired character is that it gives high yield. Let's say its desired character is that it gives high yield. And we have been selected another variety also. Let's say it has desired character Y. Let's say it has resistance to disease. That means it is less prone to disease. So when you are going to mate them, when you are going to get the product of it, then it is going to be hybrid. That means it will get both the characteristics, desired traits of A and B, that it will have a high yield also and it will have a resistance to disease also. So that means this process can actually be very beneficial because we can get the desired variety. So what is the advantage? We get high yield, we can prevent diseases in this way, and we can get the variety of the desired, any desired character, right? So this is what is in hybridization. So what is it? It is a process or a practice of improving the varieties with the desired traits. How? Variety A, variety B, just fuse them, you get a hybrid variety with the desired characteristics of A and B, what you need that. So this is very important, and this is very easy task also, and you can actually employ, it is inexpensive, but still it is very beneficial for the crop improvement. Now we have another kind of technique which is becoming popular nowadays, that is the organic farming. Organic farming is a form of agriculture where you are going to use the natural methods of removing weeds, removing pests, or everything, the steps which take place, we use a natural method for that. And moreover, we are using natural sources of nutrients like manures and all. We are not putting stress on the chemicals. So to avoid this disadvantage, we can actually practice the organic farming, and it is becoming popular nowadays. So it is a form of agriculture that use natural source of nutrients and natural methods for weeding and removal of pest and storage and improvement. So this is what is an organic farming, and it's very important because it is eco-friendly. It is not going to harm environment in any way. So this is what is the crop improvement process. So if you are following this agriculture practices right in this order, and you are just keeping a check on the crops, so that you can have a good yield and you can have a good monetary gain, especially for the farmers, because they are only into this profession, that they are growing crops, they are doing all these things, and they are storing and they are transporting for the monetary gains. So this is what the farmer do actually try to do, and in order. So this is what is the different agriculture practices, how it is being done, and what is the advantage and disadvantages. So just list them up and try to learn them, because these are not so difficult, but still I know you all are not going to be a farmer, but you should know, because actually we depend directly or indirectly on food, right? So we need to know that.